In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment button to your Wix website to make transactions seamless and efficient for your customers. Setting this up can significantly streamline your sales process while enhancing the usability of your site, whether you're an experienced user of Wix or just starting out. So let's dive in and explore the steps to achieve this. First, you'll need to open the Wix editor for your site. Once you have accessed your editor, take a glance to the left-hand menu where you'll find several options. You'll be focusing on the Add Elements button. Go ahead and give that a click. This action will provide you with various elements that you can add to your site. Scroll through these options and select Payments. Here, you will find a range of payment buttons to choose from, such as Pay Now or PayPal. Select the one that fits best with your site's needs and drag it onto your page. This is quite a flexible step, as you can place the button wherever it will be most visible and accessible to your customers. If you have something specific in mind, you can also create a custom button. To do this, click on a standard button that you've added. Select Link, and from there, choose Pay Button. Once your payment button is in place, it's time to customize it for your specific offerings. Click on the button you just placed on your site. You'll notice a gear icon labeled either Settings or Design. You'll want to select this to begin personalizing your button. Customization is key here, as it not only makes the button align with your brand's aesthetic, but it also clearly communicates what the transaction is about. In this settings menu, you can set the item name and price. This is essential for ensuring the transaction reflects the correct purchase. Additionally, you have the option to change the currency to suit your business transactions. Whether you operate locally or internationally, feel free to modify the button's text to make it more engaging and specific to your service or product. An important optional feature is the Terms and Conditions checkbox, which provides an extra layer of transparency and security for your transactions. You can also adjust the layout and design by playing around with colors, fonts, and even adding shadows to make your payment button stand out. After you've completed the customization, go back to the button settings and click on Manage Payment Methods. This will direct you to your site's dashboard, where you'll find the Finances or Payments section. To finalize your setup, you need to connect your preferred payment provider, such as Wix Payments or PayPal. It's important to note that in order to connect these payment methods, you might need to have a business or e-commerce plan. So check your account settings to ensure everything is in place. And there you have it. You now have a fully functional payment button that is ready to accept transactions on your Wix site. This setup not only facilitates a smooth transaction process for your customers, but also provides you with a professional, efficient means of conducting your business online. Remember to test the button to see it in action and confirm that every aspect is working as expected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you enhance your Wix site.